So this is gonna be a really quick video and me doing my first impressions with the Apple Pencil 2. I'm just in love with that right there. But I literally just unboxed a brand new iPad. This is the iPad Pro 12.9 inch, the 4th generation, so the newest one. And this is the Apple Pencil 2. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mess around with it a little bit. It feels really smooth and good in the hand. Like it feels great. This is my first time having an iPad at all, but this right here, I can definitely see myself writing with it, and it's just, it doesn't feel inconvenient. And of course the magnet attaches it right to the iPad and it charges it that way. And yeah, so I haven't downloaded any apps on here, and I'm gonna start with this Pages app that Apple has, and it's talking about update. I'm not gonna update it right now, and I'm just gonna start writing and see how it is. So if you tap it twice, you can change the style of the pencils. You can switch between the pencil or the eraser. As you can see right here, it's switching between the two. So I want to change to the pencil. Okay, so you can choose if you want to use a pencil or like a Sharpie style, like a crayon style, but if you double tap it, it's always going to go back to the eraser and the original thing of what you chose or what you last left it on. So it's pretty cool. And yeah, I got it on drawing, so I wonder if it's like going to actually draw, or just there's something I have to turn on. I'm like wondering now, is there anything I myself have to turn on to start drawing? Oh, I need to make a text box. Ignore that part, I might cut that out. But so let's go ahead and see. Wow, y'all, this, if there's any lag with this, I can hardly notice. I'm not a drawer by any means, like ignore these circles, I'm just testing out the feel. And I thought this would be super weird at first, drawing on a screen, especially without the Paperlight, because I heard the whole point of that is supposed to make the iPad screen feel more like paper, so you're a lot more comfortable writing on it. But to be honest, this isn't weird at all. Like, it doesn't feel strange to write up here, and there's no lag behind. Like, if there's any lag, it's very minimal. Like, I can't tell. Okay, I can see it, but only I can see it like this. If I'm writing normally, then I don't really, it doesn't bother me. Like, it does not bother me at all. This is actually pretty amazing, I'm not gonna lie. Like, this is pretty amazing. Let's switch to the Sharpie. Let's see how that, I'm impressed. Wow, this is pretty awesome. Stick man. I can't imagine how much better it's gonna be with the Paperlight. This is great. Wow, look at that. Okay, this is pretty awesome. Man, I can't wait to use this for school. I'm impressed with this. I actually like this. Like, this is pretty cool. This is really cool, actually. Yeah, okay, I'm definitely a fan. Initial impressions of the Apple Pencil 2 is great. It feels like a regular pencil. It's not, you know, a hindrance or anything like that. It is a really good item, and personally, I like it. I'm a fan. But my view might be biased because it's my first time having this, but it feels extremely similar to writing on paper. So it's not gonna be weird when you first start off, or at least it wasn't for me. I can't speak for everyone, but that's my impressions of it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for another video, and yeah, catch you guys later.